Hi everyone, my name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. And now it's time to find out what might be going on in your neck of the woods. Hi everybody, as you can plainly see, we've got some severe storms popping up all across places here. We've got some severe storm warnings going out, and a little bit has changed from this morning's forecast, and I wanted to go over it with you and show you what I'm talking about so you'll be aware and prepared. As you can see on the severe weather map, we have severe thunderstorms going warning going on over in Arizona. We have some in Michigan. You can see all the lightning going off, and with these storms as they progress through, they're popping up thunderstorms. That's why there was so much lightning down south in these areas you saw. Also, we have a severe warning for a severe thunderstorm up in New York, and also in right at the edge of New Hampshire and Maine. Now, these will slowly subside as the afternoon goes on, but some of these storms have 1-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. And as you can see from the updated severe weather alert page, these storms are capable of producing damaging winds and isolated large hail. That's all possible, folks, and it's happening, and it's very possible over parts of New York and Vermont this afternoon, and it should last until early evening. Now, so far as the wind, the greatest chances in Vermont and portions of New York. 5% chance in the outlying areas of these downdraft winds, and that hail. 5% chance of this hail happening in New York, Vermont, and portions of Michigan. So be aware, if you see a mighty looking awful cloud coming your way, you might want to put your car under the shelter. Taking a look at the very latest satellite picture, here we go, folks. You can see all of this Saharan dust, man, mixing in with these little systems that are trying to be tropical waves. That's what they are, nothing more, nothing less, coming off the coast of Africa, but none of them are getting significant cloud tops. Look at this, minus 35 Celsius. That's just a good thunderstorm, okay? It's mixing in. Doesn't look like anything's going to happen with these as we come on across and get up. Around the Caribbean, nothing going on here. No Saharan dust, but nothing's forming as of now. But we have sheer wind over in these areas and also in the Gulf at this time. These are the storms that are going through. As you can see, if we put it on infrared, you can see these are the storms going through from Florida all the way up to South Carolina and then back down across, moving on across easterly to the coast as this cooler cold front is pushing through. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting nothing going to happen for the next 5 days. That's a great thing. No new tropical cyclones are expected during the next 5 days. But I would just like to interject right quickly. When this month is over and we turn over to August, everybody, look, we've already had enough warning already this year about tropical storms. It is hurricane season. Make sure you've got your kits ready, your plans ready in case you need them, because these things seem to be in the latter years, they just pop up and then they speed up. So be prepared for whatever may come your way during this hurricane season. What can everyone expect? This is the NDFD map, my friends, and I'm just going to let this loop on through for you right quickly as I tell you. This persistent but gradually weakening upper level ridge that's been over the central U.S., it will provide a continuing stretch of above average temperatures across the northern and central plains through at least tomorrow or Thursday. Looking like widespread high temperatures into the upper 90s and low triple digits are forecast in these areas. Now, farther west, the combination of extreme drought, very, very dry for those folks, along with gusty winds and thunderstorms, that's got a very good chance of producing fire weather concerns for the northern Great Basin and the northern Rockies through Thursday. Now, thunderstorms ahead of the advancing cold front entering the Pacific Northwest today are likely to produce little rain, but lightning could reach the dehydrated terrain and spark new wildfires. Remember on the map I showed you a while ago, you saw lightning, but you didn't see any rain there. Well, that's what's going on. Now, with the drying expected behind the modified Pacific cold front moving slowly through the region, please, this lightning can cause new wildfires. Be safe, my friends. Now, the areas with the greatest chances of seeing summer storms include the Northeast, the lower Great Lakes, the Southeast, and the Southwest. Now, a cold front crossing the lower Great Lakes with these thunderstorms in tow are forecast to shift into New England, and they've already started, and coastal sections of the Northeast tonight and tomorrow. So you got a good chance of thunderstorms tonight, as I've showed you, and they could linger into early morning hours. That's what happened at my house. I had rain, and thunderstorms off and on all day yesterday. Then this morning had a few, and now it's beginning to clear up. Now, it's all because of this lingering frontal boundary. It's bisecting the region, and it will be the focus for additional rains of slow-moving thunderstorms today before it lifts slowly northward Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the main concern with these storms, heavy rainfall, could cause some scattered flash flooding tonight, with a threat fading in coverage and intensity by Wednesday evening or Thursday. Now, the southwest monsoon, it is expected to continue with scattered chances of thunderstorms through much of this week. As a result, isolated instances of flash flooding will remain a possibility between the southwest and the central Great Basin, especially coming up on Thursday. And that's a check of your evening forecast. Be safe, my friends. Have a good evening, a safe evening, and a blessed evening. And if you're into the weather, please don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot. And underneath this video, I'll have a link that goes to my homepage. Go over there, check it out. All kind of videos. There's one whole section on the hurricanes for 2021. So with that all said and done, peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you today, tonight, and many days ahead. Thanks for everything you do for me, and thanks for watching.